Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss communicative action theory. Communicative action theory is a philosophical and sociological framework developed by German philosopher Jürgen Habermas. It is an attempt to describe the social foundations of human language, meaning, and interaction, and to provide a basis for critical social theory. At the heart of communicative action theory is the idea that language is a fundamental aspect of social interaction and that communication is the foundation of social order. According to Habermas, communication is not just a means of conveying information, but a means of coordinating action and creating shared understandings. In other words, communication is a form of social action, and social order is based on the mutual recognition and understanding of each other's perspectives. Habermas distinguishes between two types of social action: instrumental action and communicative action. Instrumental action is the action that is taken to achieve a specific goal or end. On the other hand, communicative action is the action that is taken in order to achieve mutual understanding and consensus. Communicative action theory is based on the assumption that human beings are capable of engaging in communicative action and achieving mutual understanding. This is possible because language is a shared medium of communication and because human beings are capable of taking each other's perspectives into account. Habermas argues that communicative action is the foundation of social order and that it is the basis for the legitimacy of social institutions. However, Habermas also recognizes that communicative action is not always possible or effective. He identifies several barriers to effective communication, including power imbalances, cultural differences, and social inequality. When these barriers exist, communicative action can break down, and instrumental action or cohesion may be necessary to achieve social goals. Communicative action theory has been influential in a number of fields, including sociology, philosophy, and communication studies. It has been used to analyze a wide range of social phenomena, including political discourse, media communication, and social movements. The theory has also been applied to practical problems such as designing more effective communication strategies in organizations and improving democratic deliberation in public settings. In conclusion, communicative action theory is an important framework for understanding the social foundations of language and communication. It emphasizes the importance of mutual recognition and understanding in achieving social order and legitimacy, while also recognizing the barriers to effective communication that can exist in society. As such, communication action theory has had a significant impact on both theoretical and practical debates in a wide range of fields. Thank you very much.